Well, hey guys, I am weeding the trenched area in my backyard just right in front of the potager. And there's one weed in particular that I want to highlight for you guys. It's one of the most obnoxious, pernicious weeds out there, at least it is in my yard. And it's this grassy stuff. It's kind of looks like an annual ryegrass or an annual bluegrass, and it's called annua or poanna. Let me spell that for you. Poannua, in case you want to look it up. And it looks relatively harmless. Sometimes we might even mistakenly think it's a good guy and try to spread it around into areas of our turf that are barren and need a little infusion of some more grass. But it is not. It will go to seed very, very aggressively, and then it will start coming up everywhere. You don't want it, and it's really unsightly. So as soon as I see it, I try to basically just scrape it off with a really sharp weeder. It sloughs off pretty easily when the ground is moist. And I want to do this early in the season before it goes to seed, because you can see here there's already development of seed head on this little tuft that I just pulled out. Now, if you have areas that are difficult to reach in the cracks in your driveway, or you just don't want to get down on your hands and knees to do this, then here's another way you can tackle it. Boiling water. Just put your kettle on and then bring the kettle outside when it's at its hottest and just pour it on top of it, and it will eradicate that pretty quickly. Sometimes you may need to hit it more than once with that boiling water, but the emphasis is on trying to catch it early, either with your scraper or maybe even a pre-emergent. And if you have it in your lawn, then I suggest you just Google how to eradicate poanna in your lawn. But most importantly, just recognize what it is and know this stuff is not your friend. You want to get rid of it.